Cross your arms like this, look right at me. Ready, 1, 2, 3. One more, 1, 2, 3. All right, arms on your hips like this. Ready, 1, 2, 3. One more, 1, 2, 3. All right, keep 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, fist up. 1, 2, 3. Switch feet, other foot forward. 1, 2, 3. All right, you're good. Thank you.
Is going to be an absolute banger tomorrow night in the co-main event. And with that, we move to...
Why? Because you're why is that?
Chris Camacho, my friend, Sardine Circuit. Today fight.
Narrated very good. Fight 7 hours. Warm up. Relax. Downtime.
Yeah.
Calm before the storm.
He's just saying, yeah, for video.
Yeah. You don't understand.
Yeah, but you don't
I understand.
No, you don't. You guys were friends. What happened?
My friend, I understand. Wait, you, me, same.
Wow. Same. There's trouble. Same.
Yeah.
I love it. It's so good. Good time.
It's just a little different, but the grain inside the punch is two different balls. Like if you're outside and
DC, Luke, like so many champions. Khabib, like so many champions. It feels so good to work with you, man. You know, like next champion. Excited.
Жетістікке жет деп отыр еді Садриддин бауырымызға. Осындан бойдың алдында осымен әр бойдың алдында осымен жасырсақ. Крис Камачо деген сөз.
Sitting on your stool, you gotta protect yourself. And you're gonna hear me give you instructions in there. Obey them, listen to them, follow them. However, protect yourself and continue to fight, okay? The only time you stop fighting is when I say stop. When I say stop, anything after stop is gonna be a foul, alright? So all you gotta do is listen, continue to fight, listen to command, stop, and there's no more punches, okay? Make sense? I use stop for everything. When the bell rings, I say,
When Ali gets his speed going, it can be dangerous. And then he starts to headhunt. Way too much. You want 8 rounds?
I never seen war tape with the adhesive on the inside like that. So I was like, that's different.
Choking weight.
Давай, Садр. Курсоварни легко символизирует. Так. Шанс, отамыз, қайтамыз.
feel him first. Do body, because he's feel the body first. Okay. Touch the body. Beep, 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 beep. Pop! On top. Okay.
Come on. Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys. Come on. Let's go, boys.
Like
Germany.
everybody. Let's go. Shit.
Come on, baby.
Асықпа, главное, асықпа. Уклондар. Садыр, асықпа. Садыр, качать ет, асықпа. Good shit, brother. Come on.